I don't know. I think
Okay. All right, hold on. Maybe I will. Okay, snowman, is it Shurin? Shurin. You
If you want, I can draw a snowman.
you will draw. I told you. You will draw after our class. Okay. So this is very easy for you. Okay, next, near.
Near.
Okay, what do we call this one?
Far.
Far. We are far, Yuki. Okay, Yuki, what can you see?
Far.
Yeah, we're very, very far. Okay, Yuki, what can you see?
I can see yesterday's weather.
Oh, how was the weather?
It was snowy and the muddy was frozen.
Yes, because it's so very cool. We feel like that the same muddy. If it's okay, how about this one?
Near snowman.
Yay!
Wow.
What happened to
What's
snow?
that? What do you think of the snowman's hand? And it's drowned.
Oh yeah, I think Sparky is sunny. Okay, next. Oh, what's the noise? What can you
It's
see?
crying noise. It's crying and he's noise. So much noise.
Yeah, because Sparky is crying. Anyway, all right,
And
let's
Ted
move
are in
on.
the Weatherland.
Okay, so this is the Weatherland. Okay, now who is she? Yuki
Zara.
and
Ted.
yes,
They
Zara
are
and
going to
Ted.
different places and experience different weather.
Yuki, what's this weather?
Oh, it was windy and very windy.
Why is there
Very
noise?
windy. Why is there noise? Okay, we will find out that one. Okay, today, Yuki, let's watch this video clip, and before that one, let's answer. Okay,